6? There are 6 of them?
Hey, look close. The 3 we just did in are there too.
What? Did he revive them with some sort of jutsu?
There can't be that many jutsu that can revive 3 fellas that were assuredly dead.
Pain, what are you?
Pain. That name is an alias for all 6 of us.
You. That face. Is that you, Yahiko? I thought you said Yahiko was dead.
You see Yahiko's image in me. You really are his former teacher.
Why? Why do you possess the Rinnegan?
What are you talking about, Jiraiya boy?
Another former disciple is also among them. Except he didn't used to have those pupils.
It's been a long time. Maybe you're confusing him with someone else?
No. Nagato was definitely the one who possessed Rinnegan. There's no doubt about that.
So what is it? Are you saying there's a real Rinnegan and a fake Rinnegan?
What is it?
A fake Rinnegan. Now that I think about it, there's no proof that the man I first saw was really Nagato. If I'm wrong, and that Nagato is a fake, that means the 6 people in front of me are all fake.
Jiraiya boy.
Either way, I need to find out more about him.
Lad!
It's that blow from before. It seems I don't have much time.
I know you're growing weaker by the second. Give up already, and die in pain.
Jiraiya boy, let's retreat for now.
No, I can't. This is our chance to learn the truth about Pain. I can't let this chance slip by. No one else will ever get this close to Pain again.
But...
I'm going to get as much information as I can. I have to save the leaf. As long as I still have power in me, I have to gamble on the possibility.
All right. If you're so determined, I'm not going to argue with you.
Thank you.
Are you done discussing your fate? Then let's put you out of your misery. I'm a busy man.
I need to focus on just one of them. If I can deliver one to Tsunade, then...
Let's do this.
My body can't take much more, but...
He's coming, Jiraiya boy!
Sometimes a man's gotta do what a man's got to do. I won't give up. I'll pave the way! My Sage Mode is wasted on you jerks.
Mission start.
Boss, ma'am, hang in there with me for just a little longer.
Jiraiya boy!
Here I go. I've got to get information to the leaf.
Demon illusion! Paralyzing toad
What are you thinking?
Demon illusion! Paralyzing toad
It's time to show you what I've got.
Paralyzing toad Demon illusion!
That face,
Paralyzing toad
there's no doubt about it.
Demon
It's Yahiko.
Paralyzing
Yahiko possesses Rinnegan. There's got to be a reason.
Jiraiya boy, stay focused on the enemy.
Demon illusion! Paralyzing Toad Dog! Demon illusion! Paralyzing
This is as
Toad
far as
Dog!
you get.
Demon illusion!
Guess that's it.
Paralyzing Toad Dog! Demon illusion! Paralyzing Toad Dog!
Possible!
I let him get away.
Jiraiya boy, how do you manage it in that state of yours? Listen, don't do anything crazy. Pull back if you can't handle it.
Yes, I understand. I don't have much time. I've got to defeat one of them. It's a difficult mission, but I knew it would be.
Demon illusion! Paralyzing Toad Dog! Demon illusion!
This should make things a little easier.
Demon illusion!
Oh, well.
Paralyzing Toad Dog! Demon illusion! Paralyzing Toad Dog!
What?
Demon
You don't know when to give up, do you?
Toad Dog!
Maybe this will convince you.
Demon illusion! Paralyzing Toad
Jiraiya
Dog!
boy, if this goes on any longer, you'll end up cornered.
Pain. I didn't think you'd be such a formidable opponent.
Demon illusion! Paralyzing Toad Dog!
I'm gonna find out exactly what you are.
Mission complete.
It's over. I think Pain is down for good this time. You did it, Jiraiya boy.
But there are still other pains left. Boss, ma'am, please bring this body to Tsunade. Meantime, the other pains need to be...
To be defeated as well? I don't think so.
Jiraiya boy!
No one can stop us.
Impossible! How can anyone revive so quickly?
You're not taking my bodies anywhere. I'm going to ask you to return the one you stole.
I must protect Boss and ma'am. All that information must not go to waste. But I'm losing consciousness. Is this the end? Is this...
I never go back on my word!
Naruto.
Until I become Hokage, there's no way I'm gonna die!
That's right. You believed in yourself and never gave up, no matter what. If never going back on your word and never giving up is your ninja way, Naruto, as your mentor and teacher, I have no business whining. For it's generally agreed that a student inherits his ninja way from his teacher. Right, Naruto?
What is this chakra? I'm shaking.
He moved a dead body with sheer willpower.
Boss! Ma'am!
Right, I got it. We'll deliver it to Tsunade.
Not so fast.
He's afraid of me, even though I'm immobile. You've still got a lot to learn, Nagato.
The frog got away.
It's over. I guess this is the end of the tale of Jiraiya the Gallant. But looking back, the tale of my life was full of failures. I don't have much to show for it. Truly an anonymous tale. A shapeless nothing. No. On the contrary, there was more to it than just slip-ups. Naruto Uzumaki. Meeting you, getting to know you. Sharing laughs, just being with you. And most of all, knowing that you've inherited my will. That makes me the happiest of all. I guess my tale isn't so bad after all. Just barely glorious, but glorious indeed. Now, it's about time I put down my pen. Right. What should I name the sequel? The Tale of Naruto Uzumaki. Yes, that has a nice ring to it.
To think that he could intimidate me for even a second. It made me delay my final blow. Let us be sure to sing our former teacher's praises.
It's over.
Yes,
What now?
we execute Madara's orders.
You mean...
Yes, when you're ready, head to the Leaf Village. We're going to capture the Nine Tails.
I'm coming in, Grandma Tsunade!
You're finally here.
Hmm? What are you all doing here? And who is that geezer frog?
Watch your mouth! This honorable personage is one of the two great sage toads of Mount Miyaboku, Lord Fukasaku.
He's the venerable master who taught sage jutsu to Lord Jiraiya.
What? He taught pervy sage? And what's the geezer frog doing here?
I'm not sure where to begin. But I suppose the most important thing is...
Huh?
Jiraiya boy has died in battle.
Huh? What are you talking about?
We fought against the Akatsuki leader Pain. Even Jiraiya boy didn't stand a chance against a possessor of Rinnegan. He sacrificed his life to protect us and to gather information on Pain.
You let him go? Grandma?
That's right.
Why did you let him take that risk? You know pervy sage better than anyone! How could you send him alone?
Stop it, Naruto. You of all people ought to know Lady Tsunade's feelings.
Naruto!
Sakura, enough. Just let him be.
My apologies, Lord Fukasaku. I'll have a talk with Naruto.
No. That's all right. I can see that he's Jiraiya boy's pupil. His innocent, honorable character reminds me a lot of him.
Shizune.
Yes.
Jiraiya left us with Pain's body and one captive. I'm giving them both to you. Work with the intelligence division and start analyzing them immediately.
Understood.
Kakashi and Sai, you can go for now. We won't get anywhere with Naruto in that state anyway. I'll inform you when we have any news. Stand by until then.
Understood.
I'm going to return to Mount Miyaboku for now. Let me know when the boy calms down.
Yes.
Why don't you get some rest too?
I think I'll go get some air.
I understand.
You fool!
Hatred?
It's the product of war. You could say it's the feeling of resentment that comes when you lose something. Anyway, the world is plagued with it, unfortunately. I'm always thinking I'd like to do something about this hatred, but I'm not sure how to go about it yet. But I truly believe that eventually the day will come when all people will understand one another and live in harmony.
Wow, that's kinda deep.
Well, if I can't find the solution myself, maybe I should pass the quest on to you.
Yes, sir! Can't refuse your orders, Pervy Sage! Huh? What's so funny?
I feel redeemed by your smiling face. I'm glad I made you my student.
Pervy Sage! Pervy Sage!